I used to think coding was difficult until I joined Techno Girls. My name is Angela Lumati. I'm a participant of the CodeHack for Beginners program at Techno Girls. Before joining Techno Girls, I was a physiotherapy student at Moi University, and even then I had a great interest in technology and innovation. And then I came to hear about Techno Girls, and I figured this is the best place for me to learn about technology and to learn about innovation so that I can advance in my healthcare profession. At Techno Girls, I have learned a lot of skills. I have gained a lot of knowledge in HTML, CSS. I've also learned graphics design and digital marketing. And I know for a fact that these skills that I've gained are going to help me advance in my technological journey. The most impact that I've gained from Techno Girls is the mentorship. We have amazing mentors who are not only knowledgeable but are also patient with us and are willing to teach us. They challenge us in ways that make us go above and beyond our abilities. Also, being part of a community of young women who are driven by the same goals and purpose has really provided a great environment. And through the mentorship and community, I've been able to work in a number of projects, including my school project, my sustainable development goals project, my cafe website, and through this, I have really gained confidence in my coding skills. As I complete my CodeHack program at Techno Girls, I plan to use my skills to create valuable solutions in the community and also to improve my confidence in coding. Techno Girls is not just an organization, it is a space which empowers young women to boost their confidence in coding. To every young woman out there, I would encourage you to come to Techno Girls and test your skills in technology because this is the right place to be. And for that, thank you, Techno Girls.